So we're going to talk about real briefly what the difference is between a typical break and an actual long crack. Well, the primary difference is one is subsurface and the other is surface. So for instance, this initial impact point where the rock hit created a subsurface kind of conal shaped trapped pocket, you might say. But once that crack extended past the first inch or so, it became a surface crack. So this crack is actually exposed to the top layer of the glass, whereas this is not. It's kind of sealed off. The initial impact point, and there's this kind of sealed area inside. So how can you check that? Well, the one way is to use like a razor blade, and you can kind of feel it on the surface. It'll kind of click, so that'll indicate that that's a surface crack. So those surface cracks have to be repaired in a slightly different manner than if we just had the break itself. So in our long crack training videos, you'll see how to drill, pop a bullseye, and cause these surface cracks to go subsurface, therefore allowing us to properly repair them and do a repair that's going to last a long time.